Hello. Wikipedia's picture of the day, May 23, 2020. Today's video is about Paulette del Baye. Paulette del Baye, 1877 the 23rd of May 1945, was a French actress, singer, dancer and vaudeville performer from Cuba. She performed at the Moulin Rouge, in various London shows including The Passing Show of 1918, and in 5 silent films, including the Sherlock Holmes adventure The Man with the Twisted Lip. In 1909, she was one of the fair actresses implicated in a plot to restore the French monarchy. This portrait of Del Baye, taken by French photographer Paul Boyer, was published in the March 1907 issue of the fashion magazine Les Modes. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.